They get their water from the island's 3 inland springs. By nature, pigs are social, gregarious creatures. They travel in groups called sounders. This one consists of 3 mature sows, 1 boar, and their offspring. A curious disposition and a broad diet means pigs can find food in just about any range, making them one of the world's most adaptable animals. But there's a downside to their success. With no predators, the number of pigs here will continue to grow until there's not enough food and water for everyone, potentially devastating the island's native ecosystem in the process. The wild pigs' colonization of the Bahamas' Big Major Key has been so successful that the locals now refer to this